Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to make the keyboard on your iPhone larger. Let's get started. You might be trying to figure out how to change the keyboard size on your iPhone. There's one main way to do this, which involves using the zoomed-in keyboard on your iPhone. This method essentially makes everything on your iPhone larger, including the keyboard. First, let's take a look at the standard keyboard size. Notice how the keyboard ends around this specific area. What you can do on your iPhone is you can actually toggle on a mode called zoomed mode. So what this does is it basically zooms in your specific iPhone or makes everything larger. You can toggle this on by going into your settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on display and brightness setting. You can then go ahead and scroll down until you see your display zoom option, which is right here. So you can click the display zoom. And then what you can do is you can go and click on the larger text button, which is right there. So click on larger text, and then you want to go ahead and click done in the top right corner. And then you want to click You Zoomed. If you go back into your messages or any app that uses the keyboard, you will notice that the keyboard is now a little bit taller. While it's not the biggest difference, it is slightly larger, which can make typing easier for some users. And that's how you can make your iPhone keyboard bigger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.